Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you hear Santa driving the sleigh? Or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down, it's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
Svetlana, the firefly in the room.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Vlogmas number 5. Today we'll have really exciting video. Sorry for the sound of Rocky walking. Come over here. Say hello. Say hello. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hello guys. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't want to be ashamed for you on the camera. I'm sorry. Anyway guys, today we have pretty exciting video because Just after filming this portion, we will go ahead and look for a Christmas tree. So today I will take you along, and that's why I'm in the hat, because we are in a pretty hurry. So this intro will be pretty short. Today we're going to look for a Christmas tree. We have all of the Christmas decorations at home. So, it's very exciting because most likely today we'll have Christmas tree up. So stay tuned for that. Let's go and hang out. Actually, right now it's snowing, so it's so much fun. It looks so festive, so Christmas, So buckle up, guys. Let's go on a little adventure once again. Christmas season mood is up on this channel like 100%, and I'm really excited to take you along. So let's go and see if we can find a perfect Christmas tree, and who knows how we will finish it off. So it's a spontaneous video. Sorry once again for this fat teddy bear walking so loudly. Anyway, guys, let's go and look for that Christmas tree, shall we?
The next day.
Hi guys, well, it's another day to be honest, and we had some struggles. We had to go and buy a Christmas tree yesterday, but our car couldn't start. So this is another problem of having pretty cold winters. But today my fiance went again and is trying to start a car. So hopefully today is the day we'll have a Christmas tree on. So once again, nothing changes. We're going to look for a tree and decorate it and just have lots of Christmassy fun. So stay tuned for that. Also, my mom will come today to visit us. So most likely it will be a very family-like vlog. Actually, today I also will be filming a collab, a Christmas collab. So here's a little spoiler for you. I still cannot say too much about it. So stay tuned for that, for all the announcements and all of that. But right now, enough mumbling. My boyfriend is freezing outside, so let's go ahead and look for that damn Christmas tree 2.0. Let's do this.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're cruising about 3,000 feet, and I want y'all to sit back, relax, and take flight. Oh yeah.
Cheeky kids and Japanese Georgians, pink faces and snow white beds, flying cab dots, light as it goes, spilled Pinot way on my carpet. Oh.
It was difficult to fit this thing up in the car Oh guys, but look at this. This is the first time I actually bought this size Christmas decoration, but this year felt somehow different, and I thought I will buy a Santa Claus because I don't know, I just felt like this is the very good year to do it. This is George, by the way. I was looking at Steve at first. He was twice bigger, but he was 45 euros, which is insane because we got this tree for 20 euros. So to buy a decoration that is twice more expensive than the Christmas tree itself, it felt really unnecessary this year. So here is George. He's Santa Claus, but this is just a guy named George who will guard our Christmas tree. So I'm really excited. He's so cute. This one was actually 27 euros without a discount, but with 30% discount it was 22 euros. And I don't know, I love him. Okay, let's go ahead and drive home and decorate this tree. Oh, exciting! Let's see what Rocky thinks about our Christmas tree.
Jaki jakaś? Jakoś.
time of the year now. You got people falling in love. It brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you hear Santa driving the sleigh? Or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today.
Wow, helping so much. Wow. Thank you. Really helping us. What a good job. Yippee, 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 yippee. Kiss. No.
Snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to. With the snowflakes falling down, it's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 no.
Ho, ho, ho! Welcome back to me talking finally, and not in a speed way like you saw me decorating Christmas tree like a minute ago, right? Welcome back. I finally did everything. I feel so happy because actually I just finished filming the collab that you will see this upcoming Christmas. I mean, in a couple weeks most likely. So my throat actually is so sore because I was singing so much. I was actually had Rocky with myself, so it took twice time I was planning it to take. So I'm actually pretty tired, but still I need to go ahead and clean my space because in about half an hour my mom will come and we will hang out a little bit, you know, have some dinner together, and George will meet her. I'm not sure why I'm so excited about the Santa Claus, but this is actually the first time ever I bought such a decoration for my apartment, so it feels pretty special because it actually was pretty pricey for my budget, but I went all in with all of your guys' help, so I'm so excited to have it in my collection. Actually, I am pretty afraid to leave it because Rocky thinks this is his toy, and I was actually keeping it on a Christmas tree, but Rocky just could not leave him there. He was sniffing it all around. He needed to take it and run away somewhere with it. I have no idea what plans he had, but I bet they are not the positive ones, you know. So I'm still not sure where I will keep the Santa Claus, but I'm so happy. Right now my home really feels so festive, and actually when we went to buy this Christmas tree we went a little bit over the edge, to be honest, because I did not thought it will be this huge, and I'm sorry to see our ugly radiator right now. Wow, this wasn't beautiful at all. But anywho, this is it for today's video, guys. But before leaving you, let me teach you another language lesson. And since we have George over here, aka Santa Claus, let me teach you how to say Santa Claus in Lithuanian and in Polish. So if you want to say Santa Claus in Lithuanian, you need to say Kalėdų senelis. Once again, Kalėdų senelis. Or people also call it Senelis šaltis. Once again, Senelis šaltis. And if you want to say Santa Claus in Russian, you need to say Ded Moroz. Once again, Ded Moroz, or Dedushka Moroz, to make it a little bit sweeter, you know? But anywho, this is it. I'm so excited for this episode. I had so much fun decorating my Christmas tree. It's actually the largest we ever had, so we did not have enough lights and enough other stuff for it, but all in all, I think I did a pretty good job decorating it, and I had so much fun. And I'm glad I could take you along with me on this journey. So if you enjoyed this kind of content, plenty content, Christmassy content, please subscribe because I have so many more videos prepared for you guys. And please comment what do you think about this year's Christmas decorations I prepared. I'm so excited. And like this video if you enjoyed, and I really hope to see you very soon.